We have built a map viewer that can show enclosed spaces such as parks, buildings, and museums, completely in audio. I'm currently in a playground, and I'm going to press a key to turn on the surround sounds. So we can hear to the left there are some bells ringing, and in front of us there is footsteps on a bridge. I'm going to press the arrow keys to move around. Up goes north, left goes to the west, and each time I press the key, we move about 2 meters. So it's very similar to a step. So I'm going to press the up arrow.
Long ramp, 32:15.
We hear the name of the object, which is long ramp, a short sound that's representative of the long ramp, which is kind of a step on wood, and then the coordinates that tell us that we're somewhere in the center of the map.
Ava's Bridge, 32:16.
And we hit another object here called Ava's Bridge, and that's the sound of footsteps on a bridge that we hear in front of us. So I can move around all these different objects and explore the shape of them and how they relate to the other objects. So I'm going to go to the left, and there'll be some more objects here.
Ava's Bridge. Ava's Bridge. Ava's Ground Carousel, 28:16.
So we've got a ground carousel here, and I can also open up a menu that has a list of all the different objects in the map.
TTT, Stepping Sounds 1 of 45.
So we've got an object called Stepping Sounds,
Disc Spinner 2 of 45.
Disc Spinner,
Ground Carousel 3 of 45.
Ground Carousel. I'm going to go ahead and go to the Disc Spinner here,
Disc Spinner 2 of 45.
and
Go 1 of 4.
I can go to that Disc Spinner. Disc Spinner.
Application, Audio N button.
And you heard an announcement that said Disc Spinner. And now I can explore the Disc Spinner.
Disc Spinner. Disc Spinner,
I'm
27.
I'm pressing up arrow key.
Blank space.
Now I'm off the Disc Spinner. So if we listen real carefully, we can hear a sound in front of us of something going up and down very quickly in pitch. So I'm going to go forward and walk towards this object.
Blank space, 27:44.
And so I'm just in a blank space here, so there's nothing around me. And we hear this object in front of me, and I'm going to walk right over it.
Laser harp, 27:45.
And we hear that the sound changed, and that the name of this object is Laser Harp.
Laser harp, 27:46. Blank space, 27:47.
Now we hear that it's behind us. So I just pressed up arrow a couple times and moved over the Laser Harp, and now it's behind us. So we can use this technique of moving around the space and hearing the objects around us to navigate around any space that has map information.